Good morning. It's about 5:45, I think. I started from my car at about 5:10, heading up the West Spanish Peak this morning, 13,600 and something feet. It looks like, according to, maps and whatnot, it's about, like an easy 14er, but I'll take that. I drove from Colorado Springs last night and slept in my car. When I got here, I got some really nice photos of the Milky Way, so I'll put some of those photos up on screen here. And yeah, just walking through the forest right now in the dark, as you do. Looks like the aspens are beautiful, so hopefully I'll get some nice photos on the way back down. I'm basically at tree line. Sun's coming up real soon. Wind's back. I'll have to put my jacket back on, but it's a beautiful morning. Officially tree line. I have to get my jacket back on here. And now we head up. Well, as usual, I was lollygagging pretty hard during sunrise, but that's okay. I wasn't gonna make it to the summit for sunrise anyway, so I might as well. It's 7:18 right now, so just a bit left to the summit. Let's keep going. I am close, but I'm tired. I haven't really done much since late July when I climbed Handies. Just schedules and stuff didn't work out. But I'm almost there. Still beautiful view. Oh man. And I made it to the saddle. Well, not really the saddle, just up to the ridge, but now it's an easier ridge walk back to the summit. Oh, that 1,600 feet was rough. Oh man. Whew, what good views over this way. Wow. There it is. Sorry about the wind, but this is the summit of the West Spanish Peak. Yeah. Whew. That was harder than expected, but still not too bad. I'd say about like Mount Yale or something like that, equivalent. Oh, nice. Whew. All right, well, I have messed around on the summit here for like 45 minutes. So it is time to go. And that, my friends, is back to tree line. Giant cairn, trees, lovely. Took me about 45 minutes to get down from the summit on the class 2 slidey stuff back through here. Whew. I would say it was about like coming down Princeton. Whew. Nice. Let's keep rolling. Almost there. Well, I found the changing aspens. Nice. Pretty sure there's plenty more as I'm going on the trail here. Which means it'll take longer to get back to the car. That's okay. That was beautiful. No idea that was in there in the dark all the way up. Sweet. No idea how much I've got left. I haven't really checked the map. That's okay. Just cruising, enjoying the fall. Nice. All right, that was the West Spanish Peak. That was pretty good. I feel like it was kind of a mix between like Mount Yale and Mount Princeton, with a little bit of the ridge walk of Mount Massive. It was about 8 miles with 23 to 2600 feet of gain. I've seen different ones, but that was pretty great. I definitely, you know, recommend that if you're down here in southern Colorado and want something, you know, that won't take too long. That took me about 6 hours. Not too bad. Highly recommended. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.